Waiting on parts. This may be a status update that you get several times throughout the repair process on your vehicle. Here's what it means quite simply is that the parts have been ordered and we're waiting for them to arrive on site. Understand again that sometimes we order parts, they're available same day. But in some cases, it may take us several days or weeks to receive a part. So whenever you receive the status update, waiting on parts, it's truly just that. They've been ordered and we're waiting for them to arrive.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.